Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a classic bacon hair avatar. First, navigate to your avatar editor. Make sure your character uses the default R6 body package for the authentic look. Next, clear all current accessories and clothing from your avatar. Finally, set your character's skin tone to the standard light yellow color, which is a key part of the iconic style. Now, let's focus on the hair, the most recognizable element. Head over to the hair section in your avatar editor. You'll want to find and select the true blue hair item. This particular hair is usually available for free and is essential for the bacon hair aesthetic. It features distinct brown strands with lighter blonde highlights, giving it that unique, striped appearance. To complete the iconic outfit, move to the clothing sections. First, equip the Roblox jacket shirt, which is a free and fundamental piece. Then, select the dark green jeans for the lower body. For the face, choose the simple smile face, which is also a default and free option. These three items, combined with the hair, create the full, classic bacon hair avatar. Congratulations, your bacon hair avatar is now complete. The final step is to save your creation. Navigate to the avatar saving options and save your new look as an outfit. Give it a clear and memorable name, perhaps Bacon Hair Classic, so you can easily find it later. You can now switch to this iconic avatar whenever you wish, ready to enjoy its timeless appeal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.